Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to pay with your ParkMobile. Now if you want to pay with your ParkMobile but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you are paying for parking with ParkMobile, then it is very quick and easy, and here is how you can do it. The first thing which you need to do is you need to simply download and set up the ParkMobile app. So if you have not downloaded, you may download it from App Store, Play Store on a device, and after that you may simply sign up for ParkMobile or sign into your account if you have already created. So by doing that, you need to simply open the ParkMobile app and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now first you need to choose the parking time and you need to fire in your parking zone, and if you have done all of it and you want to sell it, you have to select the amount of time you like to park, and the app will show you the available option, and you need to confirm the parking duration. And by doing all of it, it shows you the amount which you should pay. The total amount will be displayed on a screen, and you need to confirm the payment method. So you may choose from a saved payment method option like credit card, debit card, PayPal, or the Apple Pay. So what we have saved, you may simply tap on the option of pay or start parking to complete the transaction, and the amount will be deducted from your saved payment option. So once your payment is processed, then the app will confirm you and the parking session will be started, and you will see the start time and the end time of a session in the app. So by doing all of it, you may simply pay on the ParkMobile app. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.